Even though it is possible to create graphics entirely from within After Effects, you almost always import some assets into After Effects, such as movies, still images, and audio files, and then use those as the basis for layers in your compositions. Let's see how to import movies into After Effects. The simplest way is to go to File, Import, File. And from here, I'll just choose a movie and click Open. Now we have a footage item in our project panel where the source item for that footage item is the file that we just imported. Another way to do the same thing is to double-click on an empty area in the project panel, which also opens the Import dialog box. This time, I'll choose a different movie and click Open. If you want to import multiple movies, choose File, Import, Multiple Files. And this time, when I click Open after selecting a movie, the dialog box stays open so that I can choose another one and another one. And then when I'm done, I just click Done. There, now all three of those that I just imported are in our project panel as footage items. You can also drag and drop items directly into the project panel from either Windows Explorer or the Finder. I'll reduce the size of the After Effects interface here so that we can see Windows Explorer. And here, I'll just select several items and drag them all over. And maximize the interface again, and we can see our various imported items. Now notice that things are getting a bit cluttered in here. So I can create a folder by clicking the Create a New Folder button. Call this Movies and Stills. Hit Enter on the main keyboard to stop text entry. And then I can select multiple items and drag them in, or just drag them one at a time. And there. Now if I click this triangle, we can see inside of the folder. If you've had the foresight to create a folder before you import items, such as creating a new folder here, you can then select it, choose File, Import, File, and this newly imported item has been imported directly into the folder. I'll close this folder. You can also import assets using Adobe Bridge. I'll press Alt-Tab to switch over to Bridge, and here we can see thumbnail representations of our various footage items, and if we select one, we can even see a preview. And we can drag through and get an idea of what's in the movie before we even import it. I'll right-click on this and choose Open with Adobe AfterEffectsCS6. And here we see that the item has been imported into After Effects. I'll maximize the After Effects interface again. So, as you can see, After Effects provides many ways to import movies. You'll be importing a lot of movies into After Effects, so you should familiarize yourself with all of these methods and use the one that's most convenient for you.